I'm originally from Omaha, Nebraska, so I'm a Cornhusker by undergrad and raising. I got here 9 years ago, and I had received my law degree from Texas Tech. And in a previous life I was a teacher, elementary and middle school teacher, and so when this job came open and my friend who actually works in the office let me know about it, it helps, this job, meeting with students, helps me scratch my teacher itch, you know, because it's a lot of teaching and how to cope with adult problems, and so that part of it's great, and then to actually do that within a law framework. So I'm using both my degrees, and it's really, really satisfying. I love coming to work. I'm an attorney with Student Legal Services, and I work primarily in landlord-tenant, so I argue with landlords all the time. We also have a criminal defense attorney. We have an everything else attorney that does family law, estate planning, name changes, things like that. And our services are free to students. We're funded by student service fees. A lot of what we do as a service to the students helps them in an area, like specifically for landlord-tenant. If you're fighting for a $500 security deposit, you're going to be paying an attorney $500 to do that. Because we're free, we can net them more money, and they can actually get the money that they're entitled to. We do get a lot of notaries, especially coming back this semester. We get a lot of speeding tickets from out of town that need to be notarized for defensive driving. We also have classes that are needing waivers notarized, so those are coming in right now. Over the year, it's about a 35, well, it's about a third. Landlord, tenant, criminal defense, and then everything else. In the spring I'm a little bit busier, in the fall criminal defense is a little bit busier. We got home games and things like that. One of the hardest things that we have to notarize are some international documents, because we need to make sure that what we're doing is proper, and there are certain rules the state of Texas has started with. We can't verify that a document is correct. So let's say any student wants to get their transcript. We can't notarize that it's an accurate transcript. What we can do is notarize the person's signature. There's a high volume. Some cases come in and there's just close to 20 to 25 documents that we have to notarize, and we just have to make sure that we're organized. We're nice people. Don't be intimidated by attorneys. We're free, so don't let money stop you, and we're confidential. So we're not telling mom and dad or anybody else at Texas Tech about you visiting here. So those two excuses are gone, and we'll consult with anybody about anything. And like I said, if we can represent them, we'll be happy to do it. And if people get here, they seem to be pretty satisfied when they get done.